So what does Fearless Agent Coaching do that no other coaching company does? You know, I was talking to one of my coaching students, Tanner, the other day, and he started as a brand new agent about a year ago. 1 week in the business, I started coaching him. He has that rare quality of, I'm just gonna do whatever you tell me to do, Bob. He wasn't gonna micromanage, he wasn't gonna customize everything. So we set a goal, and the goal for the year was to do 40 listings. So how many did he do? He did 120. And of course he had an assistant to do that with. But if you want to have remarkable success right away, maybe you've been in the business for 15 or 20 years and you've never had that kind of success, but if we can do it with brand new agents, I know we can do it with you. So if you're earning less selling real estate than you wish you were, if you're brand new and you don't know what to maybe have the right direction, you can call me anytime. I have nothing better to do than to make you rich. So I want you to call me if you have a question anytime. You can go to fearlessagent.com, watch all our videos for free, and if it looks like it might be a good fit for you, then please call me and let's see if we can turn you into a fearless agent. Thanks.